and welcome to the 23rd of July 2016. Today, me, Martha and Fionn are going to Barry Island. The weather is sunny. That is, oh, camera won't focus, there you go. That is first thing checked off. But today is also One Direction's 6th anniversary, 23rd July. So happy 6th anniversary, One Direction. That made a lovely sound. So at Cardiff, we are waiting for our train to stop to Barry Island because it got delayed. So we made it to Barry and we're in the fair. It's kind of shut. Everything isn't really... Is anything actually on? I don't know, but it smells like shit. It does smell like shit.
Plenty of people did. Hashtag Audrey Hepburn.
We are literally children. We bought a frisbee.
I bought this one especially so it looked like a Disney princess castle.
How old are you, Martha?
3 years old.
And we're going to get fish and chips. Right.
I go for the just wallop it in.
Literally a child. I filled up my bucket. I'm ready to plonk it.
Alright, I'll have this like teeny little spade then. It really does loads.
Oh my god, there's octopus. Oh my god.
Right guys, can I plant my thing?
Yeah, it's gonna have fish and octopus swimming around the outside of the...
Oh, can we do a little moat and like collect water and put it in?
Yeah. Martha's really going to town.
Okay. Right, Fionn, would you like to... Oh,
I used to do salmon sculptures. It's not packed in enough love.
Were you going to say I just used to do sand sculptures?
Yeah, I used to.
Did you
Every
actually?
time I hit to the beach, I used to be like a pro. This is where the octopus.
Oh, shit.
I'll put it back in.
Thanks, Fionn.
literally, you do that's packed. That is truly packed.
Fionn.
Yeah, is that well packed? Right.
I'll whack it.
Hang on.
You're doing the honours right here.
Right, this is nice. Why am I doing it? I'll do it too. Oh! Mum, Kaylee, you just put it in my eye.
I'm really sorry, I apologise.
Alright, Martha, you put it in my eye every time you do that. Ow! You like my finger!
That is quality.
That is quality.
Look, what are the little things?
Yeah,
Oh wait,
don't touch it.
Right, where do you want my one then?
Okay.
Wait, we gotta make our... No, Fionn, no, not there.
No, because it's starting
No.
with the moat's
No, we're gonna have two...
The moat's gonna go
no,
like
Fionn,
that.
we're gonna have one there and one there and then the octopus by the outside. So the octopus can go by there.
Don't argue with me. Like,
Where's the octopus going?
The octopus is waiting until we put our second house.
I'll do it. Yeah, I'll put the octopus on top. I will.
Fionn!
Quality!
Oh,
10 out of 10.
there ever was a
Can you pass the
No.
Oh no, actually no we don't. Let's make a moat. A mot. Moat?
No, we gotta add more to it before we do
Alright,
that.
sorry.
Giant castle, lovely.
I
You can't just have like
apologise.
3 little things and be done with it.
Like, this is gonna be a palace.
You can like pile sand up and make it big and put a...
shittest frisbee. Oh,
That would have been good.
I would have.
Oh, yes,
Head on the beach and promenade with Joseph Beach Walk. Thank you.
No! I'm not gonna do a push-up. Okay, ready? Oh!
Push up! Quick! Push up! My feet are disgusting.
Mine too.
Wait a minute, can I okay?
Go on then. What's your superhero name, Matt? Can't see you, you're just a towel.
Can't think of one.
Oh, nice.
Oh my god, look how patchy it is.
It actually
You are literally, you've got like a chunk of white. I'm not.
Oh my god! Zoom in, please. Wait. Hang on, wait
Where I
there.
was in the sand. Shit. It works as an exfoliator. It works as an exfoliator.
You actually got a patch of white.
2,
1. Cheeky footage. Can't see our shit name, by the way. I'm gonna list the thumbnail. Oh, he did so nice. I love that. Oh my god. Okay, ready? Oh, risking it for a biscuit, you are, Fionn.
You cannot see our feet. Look at our feet.
Like, how disgusting is this water?
Welcome to Wales!
Oh, there's sand in my camera. Like, physically in my camera. No idea.
Okay, then, you're not that.
It is.
We don't want to go this way.
No, okay then.
You can't get back through.
Oh, lovely.
Oh wait, can you? I don't know. I don't know, but I think it's easier to go down there to get ice cream anyway. What do you want?
She's off. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
I think that was so close to my face.
Sorry.
Right.
Okay.
Grass in the bottom of my foot, yeah.
Lovely, jubbly. Ow.
Look at the ice cream flavors here. You should go from there.
Me too. You're lazy. This has actually become my life now. I'm not joking. Yeah, let's focus up. Oh, I didn't. I already have 2 though, so it's fine.
Hey guys.
Not even that bad.
This is a takeover of Munchkins vlog. I think I should make this every vloggy thing.
Is it even recording now?
Yes, it is. Look, the little record button right there, little red thing. Okay. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed.
Massive.